Hi, it's Adrienne. How are you doing today? And so I'm back with the rest of my Colourpop haul and a palette that is very, very new to me. And so I thought I'd get started with what I have on today. And I did go ahead and start with the Pretty Fresh, and I have one of the light shades here, the Milani Conceal and Perfect, and then I did go ahead and add some of the L'Oreal Lumi. So this is what I have on for my base, and I did go ahead and use the Pretty Fresh concealer as well. So that's what I have on for my base today, and tried to go ahead and get a little bit of color back into the face without going ahead and doing fake tan or any of that. But as you can see, kind of feeling like going ahead and experimenting today. So I went ahead and I used the Cosmic Brushes Nutmeg. And I did go ahead and use this as my bronzer today. And I think it worked out pretty well. So I did go ahead and do that. And then I used the NYX, and this is Back in Butta as far as my blush today. So that's blush that I have on. Did go ahead and use a combination of highlighters. And I started off with the Lilo and Stitch. This one is from Colourpop 2. And this is their Ohana highlighter. This highlighter, it's one of those swirly ones. Mine ended up with mainly gold in here, but you may end up with one that has blue and purple. If you get blue and purple, it's going to be more of an icy highlight. With the gold, it's actually going to be more of a gold highlight, and so that's what I have on for part of the highlight today. And then I went ahead and mixed that with Moonlight Madness. This is by Ensley Rain. It's part of their, let's see, yeah, their Underland. And this is actually one of the highlighters from their Underland collaboration or collection. And so I have that on as well. So these are actually, this is Glitter. And the Colourpop is actually more of a cream with a little bit of glitter in it, but it's mainly a Super Shock cream product. And then what I did go ahead and use on the eyes today, and is going to be the New Moon. And this palette, yeah, I like the fact that Colourpop's going ahead and doing all the Twilight movies. And so I loved the last one. I thought it was the best color story of the entire year. So I wanted to go ahead and get this one and probably go ahead and collect them. And so what I started today off with was this one in the crease. Then I put this on the outer corner. I put this in the crease as well. Let's see, what did I do from there? I went ahead and put this right on the middle of the lid, and then this on the inner corner of the lid. I used this one, and I went from here to here, and then here to here. I also did go ahead and use this burgundy down here as far as my eyeliner. And I think that's the whole look that I have on today, but I wanted to go ahead and get as many of the fun shades as I could. And so, yeah, I'm really not attracted to this kind of palette, but I find it very creative and very challenging to work with it because it's just not my color story. But like I said, the quality is amazing. They do have one of their glitter shades in here, and with their glitter shades, you don't need a glitter glue because it's suspended in the formula. And actually, the bronzes in here go really well with the mustards and the yellows, and it's really pretty. So I was actually really pleasantly surprised with this palette on how much I did actually like it, and this way that the eye look turned out. So that's the way that that turned out. I think actually this is going to be great for fall into winter for me, but since it's so new, I wanted to go ahead and try it out. And as far as what I did for the lips today, I did go ahead and use one of the Joy Bright lipsticks in the burgundy, and then I added some of the e.l.f. Lip oil with the glitter. So that's how that worked out, and I think it turned out to be a really pretty look. I think it's definitely going to be a fall palette for me, and like I said, I was just really surprised on how much I did go ahead and enjoy this palette, and how much the burgundy and the bronze and the mustard and the yellow really go together. So yeah, liking this palette quite a lot, and definitely would suggest going ahead and picking it up, especially if that color story is just yours. I always like a challenge, and for me this palette is a challenge. And I think that's probably the video for today, and I hope that you have a great day, and I'll see you later. Bye.